They told us the story ended in a Manhattan jail cell. They were wrong. As of February 2026, the silence has been shattered. The U.S. Justice Department has just released a staggering 3 million pages of investigative files. A digital landslide containing 2,000 secret videos and 180,000 images that the global elite spent millions to keep in the dark. This isn't just a leak. It's the blueprint of a global blackmail empire. Today, we step into the depths of deception to follow the trail they thought was erased forever. What the 2026 files reveal is a chilling clinical precision. Little St. James wasn't just a retreat, it was a blackmail factory. The Unsealed schematics show a sophisticated network of fiber optic cameras embedded behind two-way mirrors in every room. These weren't consumer-grade cameras, these were intelligence-level surveillance tools. The documents detail a secondary off-site backup server located in a non-extradition country. While the physical tapes were seized, the digital archive, containing some of the most powerful people in tech, politics, and royalty, is still out there. The question is, who holds the remote now? Evidence like this only stays public if we refuse to look away. Join our circle of truth seekers by subscribing now. Don't let the people we're investigating control the narrative. Now, let's look at the names. For years, the flight logs were redacted, but the new 2026 tranche includes the unfiltered manifests. We see repeated trips from Silicon Valley titans, former European prime ministers, and high-ranking intelligence officials from 3 different continents. But the emails are even more damning. The files contain a 2007 non-prosecution memo that was signed off by officials who claimed it was a matter of national security. Why would a private citizen's crimes be a matter of national security? Because these files suggest he wasn't the master. He was the middleman for a much larger machine. Even with 3 million pages released, nearly 40% remains under a level 5 redaction. If the man is gone and the case is closed, why are the most sensitive pages still blacked out? The DOJ says the investigation is over, but the survivors and the data suggest the machine is still running in the shadows. We have the files. We have the names. The only thing left is the courage to see the truth for what it is. And this is the depths of deception. Stay vigilant.